Do you want to make career in HR? Do you want to get certified? It does not matter if you have just started your journey or you're already into this profession for quite some time. Becoming a certified HR professional is always advisable. Sorry, you said why it's important? I will tell you the reason behind it. As a certified HR professional, you are considered for better job opportunities. The learnings and the experience from this certification will make you more practitioner HR professional. A certification helps you to be updated as per the latest market trends. And not only this, it also helps to boost your confidence and to accept the challenging roles. And the last but not the least, with this certification, you can gain more specialized skills. A good certified HR course will help you to achieve your career goals, and it will also help you to handle real-time scenarios, which will make you a more polished HR professional. So here are a few online courses. You can pick and choose the best which suits you. Society of Human Resource Management, known as SHRM, is one of the world's most renowned association, which consists of more than 300,000 members who are making workplace better. They provide two competency-based certifications. One for early and mid-career professionals, which is called as SHRM CP, and the second one is for senior level practitioners, which is called as SHRM SCP. SHRM CP is useful for HR professionals who implement policies and strategies, serves as a point of contact for staff and stakeholders, delivers HR services, and perform operational HR functions. Whereas SHRM SCP is helpful for those HR professionals who develop strategies, lead the HR function, foster influence in the community, analyze performance metrics, and align HR strategies to organizational goals. Dell Carnegie and Associates also provide various online courses, but the one which I recommend here is Effective Communications and Human Relations. This course is specifically designed to provide you the human relations skills to thrive in any organization scenario. It will help you to create a more rewarding relationship which is built upon mutual trust and respect. This course is having around 8 sessions and which is 3 hours each. Next, we would be talking about two certifications provided by Coursera. The first one is Leading Human Resource Management and Leadership Specialization. This helps to analyze how to motivate staff with meaningful work, understand how to enable your organization to deliver on its strategic objectives, examine how you can harness your team's diversity and use teamwork to innovate and increase your organization's output. It also helps us to evaluate leadership theories and leadership skills in us. We can earn this certificate only upon the completion of the online course, and it takes approximate 6 months of duration to complete with a pace of around 4 hours per week. The next one from Coursera is Human Resource for People Manager Specialization. This certifications helps us to understand alternate approaches to manage human resources and appreciate the diversity of factors that motivate workers. Applying these best practices for hiring and rewarding employees and for managing employee performance. It also helps us to make an error-free MIS reports. This course has also applied learning projects. With that, you will learn how to proactively identify key challenges around staffing, performance management, and compensation benefit. You can utilize this knowledge to construct strategies and plan for addressing the challenges in the real life scenarios. Please note, this is not sponsored video. I have compiled all the information for all those people out there who really want to make their career in HR and through various certifications which are available nowadays online. I hope it was useful for you. Please view, like, share and subscribe to One Door HR.